What if one simple calculation revealed whether independence could work for you? Take your gross salary, multiply by 1.6 for overhead, then divide by 1,600 billable hours, discover your true baseline rate. In just a few minutes, you'll see if becoming an independent contractor can be not only possible, but genuinely profitable. Becoming an independent contractor is a strategic decision. It is more than a leap of faith. It is about claiming ownership over your career, your income, and your future. While you'll take on new obligations such as managing taxes and planning future growth, you also unlock flexibility and resilience. For instance, converting an $80,000 salary results in a calculated rate near $80 per hour, a solid benchmark in North America's competitive markets. Remember, as an independent contractor, you shoulder the costs your employer once managed. Taxes, health insurance, business tools, liability protection, even periods without billable work. These are now your responsibilities. Adhering to the 50-50 rule, billing 150 hours monthly allows you to pay yourself around $6,000, treating yourself as the employee of your own firm. Your business may now absorb expenses like your phone, internet, travel, parking, etc. Multiply your annual salary by 1.6 to estimate overhead, then divide by billable hours to create a resilient hourly rate. This formula helps you weather downtime and secure long-term financial confidence. Independence brings true flexibility, autonomy in projects, and the possibility for greater income and skill growth. With disciplined finances, your business can become your safety net, so you maintain earnings even when you step away. Yes, you'll manage fluctuating cash flow and self-motivation, but for many, the rewards surpass the risks. Compare your rate to the wider market. Ensure it meets or aligns with industry averages. If not, sharpen your skills or adjust your services to maximize value. Mitigate risk through prudent contracts, robust financial reserves, and diversifying clients. Start by establishing your business legally, setting up banking and insurance, and marketing your expertise. Secure 2 or more clients before you leave your job to ensure momentum during uncertainty. You are closer than you think. Calculate your numbers, craft your strategy, and step into independence with clarity and assurance. To learn more about transitioning to independent contracting, freelancing, or consulting, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.